Now that Thanksgiving is over, we have leftover turkey. I always make sure to have leftover turkey. That way I can make my kids one of my childhood favorites, turkey a la king. Before we get into this recipe, go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, click the subscribe button, punch that little bell. That way you guys don't miss a single recipe that we're throwing out there for you guys to try on your Blackstone. Now, turkey a la king. So to start this recipe, of course, I have my leftover white and dark meat, frozen peas, just need a little bit of chicken stock or chicken broth, both work, some milk, a couple seasonings, and this is like a quick few ingredient go-to whenever I have leftover turkey or chicken. So to start this, we're just going to turn one side of my Blackstone onto high heat, stick my skillet onto that heat and let it heat up. So to start this, we're just going to make a roux. I'm going to drop down equal parts butter and flour, whisking constantly. I want to remove that flour taste. I'm going to keep doing this until it turns a nice golden brown and it gets fragrant, kind of like a toasted smell. And then to that, I'm going to whisk in some chicken stock. Once that is incorporated, I'm going to whisk in some milk and let that begin to thicken. That roux is what's going to help thicken my liquids. So I'm going to continue whisking, keeping my eye on it, making sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom. I'm going to hand shred my white meat and dark meat. I like to have both all throughout this. Now I have some black pepper, salt, dried parsley, and garlic powder. I'm just going to throw that into this mixture, season it up, and then I'm going to drop in my frozen peas. Now you could use any of your leftover vegetables from Thanksgiving or that you have on hand. Get creative with it, add whatever you like, or you could just make it turkey and cream, and that in itself is heaven. Drop in our turkey and give it a mix. Let that sit in that creamy, milky bath for a while we get our toast ready. We're gonna toast up our sourdough. I'm just gonna use Duke's mayo, my favorite. Spread that over this toast. That way it creates a perfectly golden brown, crunchy crust over that bread. Once my toast is ready and plated, I'm just gonna spoon over this gorgeous turkey a la king, which is again like a open-faced turkey pot pie. This is like a slice of heaven here in my family and such a awesome childhood memory for me. I hope you guys try it. I hope you guys save some turkey. If not, you're gonna have to go make another one to try this because you're gonna love it. If you do make it, post it, tag Blackstone Products, tag Blackstone Betty. I would love to see it, and I really hope that you enjoy it. Be sure to go to the Blackstone Products YouTube channel, subscribe, hit the bell, don't miss any recipes. You don't want to miss any recipes from me, CJ, Nate, or Todd. And until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty. Thanks for joining me. I will see you guys in the next video.